Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the amazing facts about snake eggs and really useful identification tips? Snake eggs can be identified by their leathery textures and oblong shape. Here we shall provide you with the identification tips from snake eggs and some interesting facts about them. Did you know 70% of all the snake species lay eggs while 30% give birth to their young ones? Those snakes which lay eggs fall under the category of oviparous, while the rest belongs to the oviviparous group. Simply put, the eggs of these snakes are incubated in the female's body. Bose garter snakes and rattlesnakes are some example of the snake of this group. King snakes, pine snakes, pythons and milk snake are some of those snakes that lay eggs. Some snakes stay with the eggs till they hatch, while many are known to abandon the eggs after laying them. A female snake lays about 1 to 100 eggs at a time. They are laid in dark places and digs under loose soil. They are oblong in shape and may be white, off-white or beige in color. High temperatures help in their incubation. Their appearance, number and incubation period is different from different species. Here we take you through some facts about snake eggs and tips to identify them. Facts. Snakes living in colder areas mate in the late spring or early summer. Those in tropical areas mate any time of the year. Some snakes breeds reproduce once in a year, while others reproduce once in 3 years. Generally, they look from deeps in the earth to lay eggs. If the mother snake does not find any warm deeps to lay her eggs, she may lay them anywhere, in which case they are left to die. Depending on the breed of the snake, they lay approximately 6 to 100 eggs at a time. Most snake species abandon the eggs once laid. Some female snakes naturally incubated the eggs by boarding around them. They not only board over the eggs but also sever to give heat to them. Generally, the probability of snake eggs to die is high, and that's because their shell is leathery and not tough. Turning and rolling over these eggs can injure or kill the embryos inside. The time required for the snake eggs to hatch differs with its breed, but most snake eggs hatch in around 60 days. As the baby inside the egg grows, the egg also grows in size. The eggs become oval in shape when they are close to hatching. As compared to bird eggs, snake eggs are oblong. As against bird eggs that are hard, snakes' eggs are soft. The clutches a group of all eggs laid at a time. Snake eggs are larger than those of birds. The baby snake breaks the egg shell with its egg tooth. This tooth falls off once the baby comes out of the shell. Identification tips. Gently feel the cover of the eggs. If the shell is hard and tough, then it is not snakes. Snake eggs have a leathery and soft cover. Slowly carry the eggs into a dark room and hold the egg against a light source like a torch or a small bulb. After holding the egg against light, check for the shadow of a ball-shaped embryo. A round-shaped embryo indicates that egg is of a snake. Another way is to get the egg checked by a local pest control center. They will not only confirm if it is a snake egg or not, but also identify the snake breed. If you happen to spot snake eggs, contact the right authorities to ensure their safety. Remember, they are delicate. Rough handling can damage the eggs. Related post. Incredible, useful tips to identify a garter garden snake. There are around 35 species of garter snakes that belong to the genus Thamnophis in the family Colubridae. Garter snakes are found in almost all parts of the North America most. Totally terrifying facts about the king snake. Segregating facts from fiction. The following king snake facts give you a real deal on the world of reptiles. While some may startle you, some may just kick you terror. Incredibly creepy facts about the cottonmouth snake. Cottonmouth snakes are large and venomous snakes which are found in aquatic areas. This article will provide you with important facts on this snake. So friends, hope you understand about this topic. I will be again here with you all to discuss.